Today I'm out here playing disc golf with my son, hoping I don't get hit by a disc. And I thought this would be a really cool opportunity to teach you guys a little bit about Aperture. Nice! We might be able to do a little Aperture test on some of these flowers out here in Texas. Let's see what we got here. Oh, these are beautiful. All right, so let's go ahead and take a picture of it, and we're gonna take the picture with this camera because I did not bring my professional camera with me. Okay, so that first shot that you saw was of this flower right here. And what I did is I zoomed into it all the way and I did an f2.8 aperture. So now let's see what it looks like with an f11 aperture. Okay, so you can clearly see that the f-stop 2.8 made everything out of focus in the background, and the f-stop f11 made everything in focus, even though I was zoomed into it quite a bit and I had a little bit of distance from me and the flower. So that's a pretty big difference. So that is exactly what Aperture does. All right, I'm gonna get back to playing disc golf with Austin. You having fun? So the lower your aperture, the more stuff is gonna be out of focus in the background, which is really, really good for like portraitures or just making something stand out. And the higher your aperture, the more stuff is gonna be in focus, which is really good for like landscapes. Here I come, buddy.